Good day and welcome to another section of the online scholar class. And I'm your tutor for biology, Miss Fatima. And today we'll be looking at the mammalian teeth, where we'll be going through the definitions, the types, the structure of the teeth, dentition, types of dentition, and we'll be going through also the dental formula. Now for the first one, definition of the mammalian teeth. As human beings, we have two sets of teeth, which is the milk teeth and the permanent teeth, whereby the milk teeth grows after a few months of birth. Then they are removed and they are replaced with the permanent teeth. And we have a total number of 32 set of teeth, and we have 20. There are 20 numbers for the milk teeth, while there are 32 for the permanent teeth. Now for the types of teeth, we have the incisor, we have the canine, we have the premolar and the molar. And for the first one, which is the incisor type of teeth, it is a flat chisel shaped type of teeth with sharp edge, which are used for biting, cutting, and also for chewing. And they are also used in holding the prey to preventing them from escaping. Now for the second type of teeth, which is the canine, it is similar to incisors teeth with a sharp and pointy edge, and it is also used for tearing flesh and for catching prey. Now for the third one, which is the premolar, we have their teeth with large ridge flat surface that are used for chewing. So whenever we are chewing our food, we are making use of our premolar in that process. And for the last type of teeth, which is the molar, they are used for grinding and chewing food, and they work with the premolar. The molar works with the premolar, and they're also used for chewing. And I said before that the premolar are also used in catching prey. Now for the other aspect of mammalian teeth, which is the structure of the teeth. When we're talking about the structure of the teeth, it is in three regions. We have the crown, which protects above the gum. The crown is the one you can see, that is visible. That's the crown. Then the other one, which is the root of the teeth, and it is one that is embedded inside the jaw. So the part of the teeth that you cannot see that is inside our jaw is the root of the teeth. Now for the third aspect of the mammalian teeth is the neck, and it's the junction between the jaw, between the crown and the roots. So the middle part is the junction, while the one that is embedded into the jaw is known as the roots, and the one that is visible, that is up, is known as the crown. That's for the structure of the teeth. Now moving forward, we'll be going deep into the structure of the teeth, and it's the center of the teeth consists of a pulp cavity, which contains blood vessels and nerves, which are extremely sensitive. So when they say it contains pulp vessels and nerves which are extremely sensitive, that is when you notice it when you're drinking maybe cold water and you feel that sensation. Is due to the nerves that are present in our teeth cavity. Now a layer of dental encloses the pulp. So the pulp is also enclosed by layers of dental, and the dental is a hard and bone-like material which consists of living cytoplasm and a layer of cement which covers the root region. Okay. Now the structure of the teeth, like I said earlier, it consists of the crown, it consists of the junction, and it consists of the roots. So those are the three structures of the teeth that are present in our tooth. Now moving forward, we'll be looking at dentition. Now dentition is the number and arrangement of our teeth. It's the number and arrangement of teeth in an organism, in our mouth. Now the teeth are arranged and fixed to the upper and lower jaws of the bones. What do I mean by that? Dentition simply means the arrangement and numbers of teeth present in a particular organism, and they are arranged and fixed in the upper and lower jaw of the bones. Like this is our upper and this is our lower jaw. So dentition deals with the number of teeth that are present in the upper jaw and the numbers of teeth that are also present in the lower jaw. Now the two types of dentition that we have is homodont dentition and heterodentition. For the first type, which is homodont dentitions, they are teeth with the same type, size, and are not specialized to any function. For homodont dentition, they are the same size, they have the same function, and they are of the same type. So these kind of teeth are present in our fishes, amphibians, and reptiles such as snakes, our frog. They have the same type of teeth for the same function and also the same size. Now the other type of dentition is heterodont dentition. In this dentition, there are teeth with different types, size, and different function, as we can observe in mammals. In mammals, there are different types of teeth, which, like I explained earlier, the incisors, the canine, the premolar, and the molar, for different functions, and they are of different sizes. Moving forward, we'll be looking at the dental formula. When they say something is dental formula, it is a formula that expresses the number and kind of teeth possessed by a particular organism, whether in mammals, in animals such as our toad, our frog, like I said earlier, so our cow, our dog. We'll be looking at the different types of teeth. So when it comes to dental formula, we're looking at the different types of teeth that are expressed in numbers. They're just formulas that are expressed in numbers that deals with the numbers of teeth and arrangement of teeth in a particular organism. But they are always in the upper and the lower jaw. Now, we have different types of organisms and different types of dental formula respectively. Now, for man, this 2 means times 2, all this inside the bracket times 2. For this I represents incisors. For the incisors, it means we have 2 incisors up in the upper jaw and 2 incisors in the lower jaw. For the canine, it means we have 1 canine in the upper jaw and we have 1 canine in the lower jaw. For the P, it simplifies premolar. It means we have 2 premolar in the upper jaw and 2 premolar in the lower jaw. Then for the molar, we have 3 molar in the upper jaw and 3 molar in the lower jaw. By the time you add all this together, it will give you 16. Multiplied by 2, that means now 2, that's 32 already. That's giving us 32. But for dog, it's different. Dog is a different organism, it's different from mammals. So their dental formula also is going to be different because they have different set of teeth. Now for dogs, we have 2 outside, like that of man. But in their own incisors, like I represent incisors, they have 3. But as you can see, man, they have 2. But for dogs, they have 3 in their upper jaw, 3 in their lower jaw. For the canine, they have 1 in their upper jaw and 1 in their lower jaw. For the premolar, they have 4. As you can see, man, we have just 2. But for dogs, when it comes to them, they have 4. 4 in their upper jaw, 4 in their lower jaw. For the molar also, they have 2 in their upper jaw, while for their lower jaw, they have 3. But in man, as you can see, it was 3. But here we have what? 2 and 3. By the time you multiply everything together, your answer will be what? 42. So you can be asked in an exam that what is the dental formula for dog, what is the dental formula for man, what is the dental formula for cow. These are different organisms with different dental formula. For cow, we have 2 outside them. They don't have any incisors in their upper jaw, but they have 3 in their lower jaw. For the canine, they also don't have any canine in their upper jaw, but they have just 1 in their lower jaw. And for the premolar, they have 3 in their upper jaw, just like dog, and they have 3 in their lower jaw. And for the molar, they have 3 in their upper jaw and 3 in their lower jaw, which equals 32, just like man. But incisor is absent, canine is absent in that of cow. Now for lion, those ones, they are complex organisms. They do a lot of tearing. They feed on flesh mostly. So they have 3 incisors in their upper jaw, 3 incisors in their lower jaw. And for their canine, they have just 1 in their upper jaw and they have just 1 in their lower jaw. For the premolar, they have 3 in their upper jaw and they have 2 in their lower jaw. Then for the molar, they have just 1 in their upper jaw and they have 1 also in their lower jaw. So that's all for dental formula. And from the beginning, we look at the definitions of mammalian teeth, we look at the types and their uses, we look at the structure of the teeth, we looked at dentition, we looked at dental formula. So hope to see you in the next class. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. And questions, like I said, you might be asked in an alternative to practical. They might give you different specimen. They can give you a man, they can give you dog, they can give you cow tooth, and they'll tell you to write out the dental formulas of this organism, which I've explained earlier. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.